How are we doing, ladies and gents, boys and girls? Welcome back to another fun episode. Do a little dance and splam. So today I'm going to show you some moves with the spoon. Badass moves, that is. Stay tuned.
Dyer!
So to start off with, you need a spoon, a jigger, a mixing glass, and a bottle with some liquid in it. Right, on to the first move. Now this is a nice, simple one, looks really good, almost like magic. It's a nice little pour with the spoon and the jigger, and this is how we do it. So, you want to grab the spoon just between your finger and your thumb, and you're going to bring it around and place the jigger in between your wrist and the spoon. And what you're doing is you're pressing the spoon up against the jigger, up against your wrist, and that wedges it in place like this. Find the comfortable spot for you, and you want the back of your arm facing the glass. Then you can make your pour, and you can do this with a pour spout or without. Then you tip forwards and pour the liquid into the mixing glass over the top of your arm. Make sure the jigger's high up so you don't hit your arm. And then you can just drop the jigger down, grab it, and carry on making your cocktail. All right, let's look at it one more time. So, pick the jigger up from the bar top with your spoon, give it a pour it in, and job is a good one. Oh yeah, right. Next move is a little finger twisty move. You may have seen this one performed before, but I'm gonna go through it with you step by step so you can get it. As it is again. And now how we do this is you're gonna basically grab the spoon in between your index finger and your thumb, and your middle finger just tucks in behind. And you wanna hold the spoon in the middle somewhere. And as you twist around, your fingers come up. As you're twisting and turning the spoon around, there's the fingers up, and then you grab again with the thumb. And as it pushes around your thumb like this, your index finger will open up to then grab the spoon, and you're almost back to the beginning of the move again. So let's do it one more time. Fingers down, hold it with your thumb, twist it around, fingers up, grab again with your thumb, around, open your index finger and grab the spoon. It's a nice move to do whether you're picking the spoon up or putting the spoon down. So you can do it like this, bosh, and then you can come and stir your cocktail. All right. Right, next one is what I call a dismount move. So when you're stirring your cocktail, you're just stirring your cocktail, you've got to the dilution, you want to give it a taste. So back of the hand, give it a taste, then you lever the spoon forward and then pull it back to drop it behind your back. You can do a little thumb roll afterwards as well, like this. So one more time. Stirry, stirry, tasty, tasty. Lever it forwards, and you don't want the spoon to come off of the bar top. You just want it to drop into the back of your hand. And then to perform the thumb roll, you spin the spoon towards you and let it go around your thumb like this. Lovely jubbly. Great little dismount move for you there. Right, let's look at it one more time. Stirry, stirry. Lever forwardy, back behind your back. Lovely jubbly. Right, up next, this is one of my favorites. This is for getting the bottle behind the back bar. Boing. It's a nice little bounce, little boing with the spoon there before you come to make your drink. So you bring your mixing glass in place, you place your spoon on top horizontally across, and when you come to hit the spoon, you want to hit it near the edge of the mixing glass. So you don't want any spin on the spoon. You want it to fly up nice and flat into your other hand and grab it with those three fingers that aren't holding onto the bottle. Then at this point, you can drop the bottle down, you can unscrew the lid, and then you can, as you come to pour, now you can grab a jigger at this point, you can pour, or you can just pour freehand, it's up to you. But let's look at it one more time. Ready? Doing. Lovely little moves to use behind the bar. People will really enjoy it, and then off you go. Next one is another dismount move. I learned this from Mr. Jean-Marc Portier. It's a lovely move. You don't have to look at the spoon when you're doing this trick, but you come to taste. Place the spoon on the bar top, let it drop down onto the back of your hand, then you turn your hand around and grab it. Give a little wink and a point to your guests, and off you go. One more time. Ready? Stirry, stirry, tasty, tasty, look away, bosh. And there it is, quick and easy. Right, the last move is a famous one, made famous by Mr. Nicholas St. Jean. I did a podcast with him. It's on my channel a couple of videos ago, and it's all about this beautiful balancing trick. Now, the trick is the balance, so I'd recommend that you try and start doing this with a cocktail shaker before you start with your mixing glass, but let's break it down. So first of all, you need a spoon that's like this, that has a disc end. There's many variations out there, but make sure it's nice and flat. Then you want to place that disc end in the middle of the glass, and then with one hand, you're going to hold the spoon against the mixing glass like this, and then you find the balancing point on your arm. Have a look down to see where the bottle is that you need to grab, find that balance, and then off you go. Get the balance, get your confidence, watch the top of the glass and make minor adjustments to keep the balance of the spoon and the glass on your arm. And then when you come to pour, it becomes a bit more difficult. So you have to really focus. And you don't have to pour a lot, just a little bit to get the illusion of what you're doing. Then you're gonna put the bottle down and you're gonna grab the spoon with the same hand as the bottle and drop the glass onto the back of your hand. Ooh. Now you can catch the glass for now if you're not that confident, and as you get better then you can do the handstand. Then you can throw your spoon on the bar top and carry on. All right, let's look at it one more time. Here it is. Balancy, balancy. Now Nicholas used to do this and pour the ice in and the spirit and the juice and make a full drink. You don't need to go that far. This is enough for your guests to really get the idea of what you're doing. Cool. I hope you like this video, ladies and gents, boys and girls. Please, if you do, don't forget to hit that like button. Lets me know you like it. Boom, straight in the mixing glass. And don't forget to hit subscribe so I do more awesomely cool videos like this one. But until next time, I'll see you then.